Welcome back to Geology in 5. Today, we're tackling a question that sounds simple, but has a surprisingly complex answer. Does climate, or even air temperature, affect volcanic eruptions and lava type? Spoiler alert, the inside of the Earth doesn't care if it's summer or winter, but climate does play some fascinating roles in how volcanoes behave and what happens after an eruption. So let's break it down. First, the basics. The type of lava a volcano produces, basalt, andesite, or rhyolite, comes from deep underground. It depends on magma composition, especially how much silica and gas it contains, viscosity, or how sticky that magma is. These factors are geologic, not related to the climate, so air temperature doesn't change whether a volcano produces a gentle lava flow or a violent explosion. So if climate doesn't set the lava type, what does it influence? Mainly the surface conditions. The cooling rate, or lava hitting cold air, snow, or even ice, will cool faster than lava erupting in a hot, dry climate. This can create special textures, like glassy volcanic rocks or paleolavas underwater or ice. In places like Iceland, glacial unloading or melting glaciers reduce the pressure on the crust. That sudden unweighting can allow magma to rise more easily, actually triggering eruptions. So climate change can influence eruption timing in glaciated regions. And weather and climate shape eruption impacts. For example, heavy rainfall during or after an eruption can trigger deadly lahars, or fast-moving mud flows of ash and water. So while climate doesn't change what kind of lava is made, it can change how eruptions unfold at the surface. But there is also a flip side. Volcanoes can change climate. Explosive eruptions sometimes inject sulfur gases and ash high into the stratosphere. These particles block sunlight and can cool the planet for months or even years. A famous case is the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, which led to the year without a summer across the northern hemisphere. So we have this fascinating feedback. Climate can influence volcanic activity in icy regions, and volcanic can influence climate globally. To wrap it up, the type of lava and style of eruption are controlled by Earth's internal processes, not the weather outside. But climate and air temperature do affect how lava cools and how eruptions are triggered in glaciated regions and what hazards follow. And in return, volcanoes can reshape climate on a global scale. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather see a gentle Hawaiian lava flow or witness the sheer power of an explosive eruption? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Geology in 5.